I feel an artist has to always keep on creating. It doesn't matter, you know, what circumstances he is in. You know, history is witness to this through a pandemic, through wars, through so many different events that have happened. An artist has never stopped creating, and in fact, he becomes a part of that, you know, thing that is going on, that era that he is going through, and he documents what is happening around him at that point. And it's not very different for us also in this era. I feel it has given me a big challenge. I was always used to performing, you know, traveling and, you know, having a live audience in front of me, and to actually be singing into a camera, doing online concerts was a big challenge. Yet I feel that you know, through the social media, connecting with people through comments and their wah-wahs through the comments, it felt very reassuring. And I felt that just like the frontline workers were doing their job of physically, you know, helping you know, all the affected community and the people in the world at large, we were probably doing our bit as artists. You know, the painters, dancers, musicians, theatre personalities, they were all trying to create something within that time that they were getting. And I feel my creativity has actually increased in these times, because I was able to research a lot more, delve into topics which I have not, you know, touched before. And I feel that I've been able to give back to the world, to make it a little bit more sane and peaceful and tranquil with the kind of music that I've been able to, you know, give online for the online organizations, you know, who sponsored and performed, gave me the chance to perform. So it's been a challenge. Yet I think as human beings we are so resilient to changes. We are able to adapt. The performance that I'm going to be starting with is Rag Miyan Ki Malhar, which is basically sung in the season of monsoon, and which is July and August in India and Pakistan. So how beautifully the words are connected to the birds, and you know, the cuckoo birds and the peacocks, the dancing of the peacocks with, you know, in the woods, with happiness that they are getting that beautiful rain finally after the scorching heat. It is so evident in the words, not just for the humans, but you see the nature dancing and enjoying that beautiful feel of the change of weather, you know, into the rains. So जब जब घिर घिराए मेघा मनवा याद करे दिन बीते जब जब घिर घिराए रस बूंदनिया झरलाए रस बूंदनिया झरलाए आई बरखा रुत आई आई बरखा रुत बर खायरु आई बर खायरु आई। जब जब घिर घिराए मेघाए जब जब घिर घिराए मेघा मनवा याद करे दिन बीते जब जब घिर घिराए मेघा जब जब घिर घिराए मेघा मनवा याद करे दिन बीते जब जब घिर घिरा। कहाँ गए बचन कहाँ गए मितवा कहाँ गए बचन कहाँ गए बचन कहाँ गए मितवा तुम बिना जियत बहुत दिन बीत जब जब घिर घिराए मेघा जब 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 घिर घिराए मेघा जब 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 घिर घिराए मेघा जब जब घिर घिराए कहाँ गए बचन कहाँ गए मितवा तुम बिना जियत बहुत दिन बीते जब जब घिर घिरा घिर घिरा घिर घिरा बहुत खूबसूरत सा तराना सुनाती हूँ जो हज़रत अमीर खुसरो साहब की वो जो रुबाई होती है। बिकॉज माई ग्रैंड गुरु उस्ताद अमीर खान साहब ही ब्रॉट बैक द रुबाई दार तराना विच वॉज ऑथेंटिकली रिटन बाय हज़रत अमीर खुसरो साहब इन 13th सेंचुरी। वो हमारे घराने में ही गाया जाता है, तो वो आपके लिए मैं ज़रूर गाना चाहूँगी। तनदीम तदीम तदेन तनदीम तदीम तदेन तनदीम तदीम तदेरेन तनननदेन तादेन यललि 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 यलदीम तदीम तदेन तनदीम तदीम तदेरेन तनननदेन तादेन यललि 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 यलदीम तदीम तादेन तनदीम दीम तदीम तादेन तनदीम दीम तदीम तादेन तनदीम तदीम तदेरेन तननन तरसन चमन बुलबुलो गुल फसल बहार साकियो मतबिरों में यार बसाने गुल dim tadim tadena tana dim tadim tadere na tana nana dena tadena yalali 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 yaladim tadim tadena tana dim tadim So this is one thing that has happened, that I've been able to reach out to a larger audience. So if you really look at the brighter side of things, that is something that has happened, and I'm very happy about going and delving into new areas of exploring the technology and music together. So Thumri style of singing, it's a different genre which is called the semi-classical genre, and it's based on one rag, but you have the liberty of going out of that rag and discovering different rags within that, and then possibly coming back into that one first melody that you took as a starting point, somewhat like what jazz would be, and so this particular Thumri that I will be singing is also a very famous Thumri which was popularized by Ustad Bade Ghulam Ali Khan Sahib of Patiala Gharana, Yaad Piya Ki Aaye. याद पिया की आए हाय राम, याद पिया की आए, ये दुख सहाय न जाए हाय राम, याद पिया सहाय न जाए हाय राम, याद पिया की आए, याद पिया सजरिया वाली उमरिया वाली उमरिया सोनी सजरिया बाली उमरिया सुनी सजरिया जो बन भी तो जाए है राम याद पिया की आए राम याद पिया की बैरी कोयलिया बैरी कोयलिया कोयलिया कूक सुना कूक सुना कूक सुना बैरी कोयलिया कूक सुना मुझे बिरहन का जियरा जलाए आके दिन रहना जगाए है राम याद पिया की आए राम याद पिया की याद पिया की याद पिया की For me, I feel my music is connected to nature. Indian classical music as such comes from nature, from the sound of the trees, from the sound of the birds, and that is why we have so many lyrics which are connected to music, to nature basically, and seasons that we go through, different seasons. They all talk about how differently we are connected to nature in different seasons. In Basant, we are connected to the beautiful spring and the flowers that are blooming. And in Malhar, the monsoon season, we are connected to the peacocks and the cuckoo birds who are singing with joy. So it's something that is synonymous. Nature and music is synonymous. So it was a beautiful experience. I mean, something that I've always dreamt about. And I'm able to do this, well, thanks to the Mosaic Festival, that I was able to perform as a part of nature, and it spoke to me. And I felt this is how I would want to continue performing if possible. So I would like to talk a little bit about the Tarana singing that happens in our Gharana, Ustad Amir Khan Sahib's Gharana, called the Indore Gharana. And what is so special about this particular Tarana is that it is talking about nature. It is talking about how beautiful, the connection of the nature is to the soul, and that's what Hazrat Amir Khusro's poetry is all about. And it says, Abritar Sehne Chaman. Abritar is cloud, the wet cloud. With the presence of the dear one, the courtyard has blossomed in such a manner as if on a cloud-wet day, singing birds have come, or the spring season has arrived, with flowers, following the Sufi concept. All are enraptured in their love for God, and that is why nature has decked up like Saki, and the bulbul birds are charming with its singing. And this is how beautiful this entire Tarana is. You know, Tarana, the specific way we sing Tarana is also very unique, because it is towards the end, where you are at a loss of words. Like Ya Allah becomes Ya Allah, and Ya Ali becomes Ya Ali. And this is how the words, shorten, but it becomes as if in a transical moment you are singing and dancing, in a spiritual thought process. So it's beautifully blended with nature and music, because music, our classical music, comes from nature, from the sounds of the birds and the trees and the animals. So this is what this particular Tarana is also all about. सुहाग की जागी पी के संग तू मेरो मन पियो को दोवु मयिक रंग खुसरो ऐसी प्रीत कर जैसे हिंद जोए भूत कराए करने जल जल कोयला होए छाप तिलक सब छीनी रे मोसे नैना मिलाए के छाप तिलक सब छीनी रे मोसे नैना मिलाए के नैना मिलाए के नैना मिलाए के नैना मिलाए के छाप तिलक सब छीनी रे मोसे छीनी रे मोसे छीनी रे मोसे नैना मिलाए के छाप तिलक सब छीनी रे मोसे नैना मिलाए के बात अगम कह दी रे मोसे नैना मिलाए के छाप तिलक सब छीनी रे मोसे नैना मिलाए के छाप तिलक सब छीनी रे मोसे नैना मिलाए के प्रेम भक्ति का मधुर ले जा